Let's start with our 14 question. It has two choices. Let's start first one. If sine cot inverse x plus 1 equals to cos tan inverse x, then find x. Now come to the solution part. As we can write cot inverse x plus 1 as equals to sine inverse 1 upon root 1 plus x plus 1 whole square. It from trigonometric identities you can check it. Now write and we also can write tan inverse x equals to cos inverse root equals 1 upon root 1 plus x square. This is also in trigonometric identity, inverse trigonometric identity. Now this is the equation. Now we will get, by putting the values, we will get sine equals to sine inverse 1 upon root 1 plus x plus 1 square, cos equals to cos inverse 1 upon root 1 plus x square. Now sine and sine inverse will be cut with together, and cos same for cos and cos inverse. We will get a simple quadratic equation. Now by solving this equation, we will get x equals to 1 minus 1 by 2. This is very simple question, you can do it. Now come to the second part. Here is the question: if tan inverse x square plus cot inverse x square equals to 5 pi square by 8, then we have to find the value of x. Now come to second part. Oh, wait a second. Now tan inverse x plus cot inverse equals to this. So we can write cot inverse x as pi by minus 2 minus 10 in form of tan inverse. Mainly in trigonometric identities it is very easy. Now you can do uh, solve the further equation. This will get 2 tan inverse x whole square minus pi tan inverse x minus 3 pi square by 8. By solving this, this is quadratic equation in tan inverse x. This is quadratic equation in tan inverse x, and you will get, by solving by quadratic formula, you will get x tan inverse x equals to 3 by 4 minus 5 by 4. By putting these values in x, you will get the solution x equals to minus 1.